moving even slower today. It's already 1 p.m.
Well, I think, Rachel, I should take you for some good, clean fun. Welcome to Wonder Wash.
All right, laundry in.
1,
Token.
2, 3, 4.
More.
Then through.
Start. Oh.
Aha. Success. The small joys of Singapore.
Clothes are in. Putting the coin in.
Success.
Pete went hunting.
I got some abalone in a tin, ready to eat. Fruit and vegetable chips. And pick juice.
We've made a discovery about laundries in Singapore. Wonder wash means
I wonder how to wash my clothes.
easy wash means
Very easy to wash my clothes.
yeah. Gosh, is that gluten-free cakes?
Thank you. Correct.
That's not gluten-free.
No. What is that?
Delicious. Excuse me. Oh, you're friendly, kitty.
Oh.
I don't know what their problem is.
A bowl of food.
What are you eating, Connor?
Chicken bolognese. Not very good. And I've,
Some sort of potato dip.
yes,
Could be anything.
cowboy snack pack.
And I'm having curry chicken rice.
Can I help you, madam?
Haven't done a lot of filming today.
Haven't really done a lot today. Well, we haven't done a lot.
But it's been lovely to catch up with Connor and my big brother Matthew.
We took a lot of wrong turns.
We did. Got laundry done, so that was good. We'll actually have clean clothes to wear now.
Got some knickknacks.
Got some knickknacks. Patty wax.
Got some.
Gave the dog a bone.
Actually, I ate
No, we
mushrooms
didn't.
and seaweed for dinner.
My levels of pain and fatigue have been quite high today. So hopefully that will be better tomorrow. But this is Adventures signing off.
Good night, Singapore, and don't forget to subscribe.